Hello students, you have already studied 3 lessons in organic chemistry. Lesson first is haloalkanes and haloarenes. Lesson second, alcohols, phenols and ethers. And lesson third, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids along with their derivatives. Today we are going to start new lesson, that is fourth lesson of organic chemistry, which is organic compounds containing nitrogen. Most important organic compounds containing nitrogen are cyanides and isocyanides, cyanates and isocyanates, nitro compounds and nitrites, amines and quaternary ammonium compounds, and finally diazonium salts. These are commonly known as organic compounds containing nitrogen because in these compounds functional group contains nitrogen atom as a constituent atom. For example, in case of cyanides, CN group in which nitrogen atom is present, isocyanides, MC, nitrogen is present. In case of cyanates and isocyanates, this group is called cyanate. This is called cyanate, in which nitrogen is the constituent particle. This is called isocyanate. This is called isocyanate, in which nitrogen is present. Nitro compounds, NO2, methyl, nitrites, O and O. Next is the amines. Amines, this is primary amine group. NH2 is primary amine group. NH, this is secondary amine group, and N, this is tertiary amine group. And quaternary ammonium salt, just like ammonium salt, when 4 alkyl or aryl group attached with nitrogen and one of the negative ion, either halide ion or hydroxide ion or any other ion present with this positively charged ion, then it is called quaternary ammonium salt. These are diazonium salts, in which nitrogen is the main constituent of functional group, and 2X, this is diazonium group, diazonium chloride group. So in all the different types of organic compounds containing nitrogen, its functional group contain nitrogen. That's why these are called organic compounds containing nitrogen. So one by one, we are going to discuss about classification, nomenclature with examples of different types of nitrogen containing compounds. First one is cyanides and isocyanides. Cyanides are generally written as RCN. It may be aliphatic or aromatic. When the hydrocarbon group is alkyl group, then it is called aliphatic cyanides. If it is phenyl or aryl group, then it is called aromatic cyanides. Aliphatic cyanides are generally written as RCN. RCN is general formula of aliphatic cyanides, and ARCN is the general formula of aromatic cyanides. For example, if R equal to CH3, then CH3Cl is known as ethane nitride. This is IUPAC name of CH3Cl, ethane nitride. If hydrocarbon portion is CH6H5, means phenyl group, then it is called benzonitrile. This is IUPAC name of cyanides. General formula of cyanide is RCN and ARCN. This is general formula of cyanides. This is aliphatic cyanide and this is aromatic cyanide. Isocyanides, this group is called isocyanide group. So CH3NC is called methyl carbylamine because isocyanides are also known as carbylamine or isonitriles. Carbylamines are isonitriles. In IUPAC system, they are named as alkyl carbylamine or aryl carbylamine. That's why CH3NC is known as methyl carbylamine. C6H5NC is known as phenyl carbylamine. Cyanides and isocyanides are isomeric compounds of each other. These are isomeric compounds of each other because they are alkyl or aryl derivatives of hydrogen cyanide, and hydrogen cyanide is written as HCN. This is hydrogen cyanide. Hydrogen cyanide can be represented in two different isomeric forms. Structure first and the structure second. These are two isomeric forms of hydrogen cyanide. First one is called hydrogen cyanide. Hydrogen cyanide, and second structure is called hydrogen isocyanide. Hydrogen cyanide and hydrogen isocyanide both are tautomers of each other, means they are tautomeric forms of each other. Alkyl or aryl derivatives of hydrogen cyanide is known as alkyl or aryl cyanide. Compounds obtained by replacing hydrogen atom of hydrogen cyanide by alkyl or aryl group is known as alkyl or aryl cyanide. This is the definition of alkyl cyanide. Organic compounds obtained by replacing hydrogen atom of hydrogen cyanide by an alkyl or aryl group known as alkyl or aryl cyanide. Similarly, if this hydrogen atom of hydrogen isocyanide replaced by alkyl or aryl group, we get isocyanides or isonitriles. Means organic compounds obtained by replacing hydrogen atom of hydrogen isocyanide by an alkyl or aryl group is known as alkyl or aryl isocyanide. Isocyanides are also known as carbylamine. So the isocyanides in IUPAC system are named as carbylamines. Next type of nitrogen catalytic compound is cyanides and isocyanides. Cyanide group is OCN, means organic compounds in which cyanide group is present as a functional group known as cyanates, and they are generally written as ROC triple bond N. Alkyl cyanate. aryl cyanate. These are alkyl and aryl cyanates. Similarly, isocyanates are generally written as R N double bond C double bond O. This is alkyl isocyanate or aryl isocyanate. In case of cyanate, oxygen atom forms bond with alkyl or aryl group, while in case of isocyanate, nitrogen forms bond with alkyl or aryl group. However, these compounds are not very common in RESC syllabus. Next is nitro compounds and nitrites. Nitro compounds and nitrites. Nitro compounds are generally written as RNO2 or RN double bond OO. This is structure of general formula of nitro compounds. And nitrites are O and double bond O. This is nitrites. In case of nitrites, oxygen forms covalent bond with alkyl or aryl group, which may be alkyl or aryl. While in case of nitro compounds, nitrogen forms covalent bond with alkyl or aryl group. In both the cases, means nitro and nitrites, cyanides and isocyanides, these two groups are clearly explains the ambident nature of functional group. Means Cn and NC. Cn is an ambident group. Ambident group means a group which contain two donor atoms, but only one donor atom forms bond with at one time and other donor atom forms bond at another time. In case of cyanide, only carbon forms bond with alkyl or aryl group, while in isocyanide, nitrogen forms bond with alkyl or aryl group. That's why NC and Cn are ambident functional group. Just like cyanides and isocyanides, nitro and nitrite both are ambident functional group. Means when oxygen forms bond with alkyl or aryl group, nitrogen cannot. If nitrogen forms bond with alkyl or aryl group, oxygen cannot form bond. That's why nitro group is also an ambident group. Next is amines and quaternary ammonium salt. Amines and quaternary ammonium salt. Amines are alkyl or aryl derivatives of ammonia. Amines are alkyl or aryl derivatives of ammonia. They may be primary, secondary or tertiary depending on the number of alkyl or aryl group attached with nitrogen atom. For example, if an amine is written as RNH2, this is called primary amine. It means when only one hydrogen atom of ammonia, this is the structure of ammonia, if only one hydrogen atom of ammonia is replaced by alkyl or aryl group, then it is called primary amine. Means primary amine group is NH2 group. Primary amine contains NH2 group as a functional group. Aliphatic primary amines are written as ARNH2. Means whether the amine is aliphatic or aromatic, if it is primary, then it must contain NH2 group. In case of secondary amines may be simple or mixed. If secondary amine is written as RNHR or AR means if both two hydrogen atom of ammonia is replaced by identical alkyl or aryl group, then secondary amine is known as simple secondary amine. This is simple secondary amine. If alkyl or aryl groups are different, means R, NH, R dash. Alkyl or aryl group are different. AR, NH, AR dash, or AR, NHR. Means if the hydrogen atoms, two hydrogen atom of ammonia gets replaced by different types of alkyl group or different types of aryl group or by one alkyl and other aryl group, then it is called secondary amine, mixed secondary amine. For example, CH3 C2H5 CH3 NH C2H5. This is ethyl methyl amine, which is secondary amine, and mixed secondary amine. C6H5 NH C6H5 diphenylamine, which is a simple amine but methylphenylamine. This is mixed secondary amine. Now, in case of tertiary amine, all the hydrogen atoms of ammonia gets replaced by identical or different alkyl or aryl groups. Means tertiary amine may be simple or mixed, just like secondary amine. Tertiary amine also simple or mixed. In case of simple tertiary amine, all the alkyl or all the aryl groups are identical. For example, CH3 and CH3 CH3. This is simple tertiary amine. C6H5 and C6H5 C6H5. This is simple tertiary amine. Trimethylamine, triphenylamine, these are simple amine, tertiary amine. But if one of the alkyl group is different or more than one alkyl groups are different, CH3, C2H5, this is mixed amine. CH3, 7, this is mixed amine. If two or one or two alkyl or aryl groups are different in tertiary amine, then it is called mixed tertiary amine. For example, if one of the phenyl group is replaced by methyl group, it is mixed amine. Now about the nomenclature of amines. In common system, amines are named as alkyl amine. For example, CH3 NH2. This is named as methyl amine. In common system, C2H5 NH2. This is called ethyl amine. CH3 NH CH3. This is named as dimethyl amine. CH3 NH C2H5 ethyl methyl amine. Alkyl groups are arranged in alphabetical order. Ethyl methyl amine. In case of CH3 CH3. This is trimethylamine. In common system, amines are named as alkyl amine, which may be primary, secondary, or tertiary depending on their number of alkyl or aryl group. Similarly, aromatic primary, secondary, and tertiary amine in common system named as phenylamine or aniline, which is the most common primary aromatic amine. It is commonly known as aniline. It is commonly known as aniline. This is very important. Aromatic primary. If two phenyl group is attached with nitrogen atom, then it is called diphenylamine in common system. For three aryl group, it is called triphenylamine in common system. But in IUPAC system, amines are named as CH3NH2. Its IUPAC name is methenamine, means alkyl amine, methenamine. CH3, CH2NH2. In IUPAC system, it is named as 2 carbon, means ethyl carbon. So ethenamine. CH3, CH2NH2. It is named as 1, 2, 3, means 2-methyl propane 1-amine. In case of secondary and tertiary amine, nomenclature is somewhat different. For example, this is secondary amine CH3 NH C2H5. It is named as N-methyl ethenamine. N-methyl ethenamine means larger alkyl group is written as main carbon chain, is main parent carbon chain, or while smaller alkyl group as a prefix. So CH3 NH C2H5 is written as N-methyl ethenamine. Similarly, C2H5 NH C3H7, it is written as N-methyl propanamine. N-methyl propanamine. Just like this, tertiary amine can also be named as follows. CH3. This is simple tertiary amine. In this, all the three alkyl groups are identical. So it is written as N and dimethyl methenamine. N-dimethyl methenamine. If tertiary alkyl group is like this, one of the group is C2H5, then it is mixed tertiary amine. N is taken with smaller alkyl group, so it is N dimethyl, then ethanamine. N dimethyl ethanamine. If all the groups are different, for example, CH3, C2H5, C3H7, then it is named as N-ethyl, means prefixes are written in alphabetical order. So N-ethyl, N-methyl, then propanamine. N-ethyl, N-methyl, propanamine or 1-propanamine. This is the nomenclature of primary, secondary and tertiary amine in common system and in IUPAC system. Now the next compound is quaternary ammonium salt. In case of quaternary ammonium salt, there are 4 alkyl or aryl group attached with nitrogen atom. That's why nitrogen requires a positive charge, which is satisfied by a negative one. This type of organic compound is known as quaternary ammonium salt. In this case, nitrogen becomes quaternary in nature. So it is called quaternary ammonium salt. For example, CH3, 4, and positive Cl negative. This is named as tetramethyl ammonium chloride. Tetramethyl ammonium chloride. C2H5 and positive OH negative. Means tetraethyl ammonium hydroxide. Tetraethyl ammonium hydroxide. C6H5 and positive Br negative. Means tetraphenyl ammonium bromide. This is the nomenclature of quaternary ammonium salt. This one is tetramethyl ammonium chloride. This is tetraethyl ammonium hydroxide, and this one is tetraphenyl ammonium bromide. Now the last type of organic compound containing nitrogen is diazonium salts. Organic compounds containing general formula Ar(N2X) are called diazonium salts. Any of the organic compound which contain general formula this Ar(N2X) called diazonium salt. Where X may be F, Cl, Br, I or any of the negative group. For example, C6H5 and 2Cl. C6H5 and 2Cl negative, or it is written as N negative 5. This is the structure of C6H5 and 2Cl, and its name is benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride, because N triple bond N. This group is called diazo group, diazonium group. With respect to this, it is called benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. Substituted benzene diazonium chlorides are named as if the NO2 group present at para position with respect to diazonium group, then it is named as para nitrobenzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate. F tetra, F fluoro means 4 means tetra, F means fluoro, boron, borate. Para nitro means nitro present at para position with respect to diazonium group, so it is called para nitro. This is benzene ring, para nitrobenzene. This is diazonium group, para nitrobenzene diazonium, then and BF4 tetrafluoroborate. This is the naphthalene ring. It is called a naphthalene ring. Sorry, naphthalene ring. And this is first position, so it is called alpha position. So it is named as alpha naphthalene benzene diazonium chloride. Alpha naphthalene, this is alpha position. So alpha naphthalene benzene diazonium chloride. If we take another example, CH3 means CH3 present at para position with respect to diazonium group, then it is called para methyl benzene diazonium bromide or para-toluene benzene diazonium bromide. Para-toluene benzene diazonium bromide. This is all about the introduction of nitrogen containing compounds, that is cyanides, isocyanides, cyanates, isocyanates, amines, quaternary ammonium salt, nitro compounds and nitrites, and benzene diazonium salts, means diazonium salts only, diazonium salts. Out of these nitrogen containing compounds, cyanates and isocyanates and nitro compounds and nitrites, these two class of compounds are not included in ISC syllabus. So only cyanides, isocyanides, amines and diazonium salt will be discussed in this lesson. That's all.